Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aya here. So today mga bisme, at meron pala ako ipapakilala sa inyo. Ito yung mama ni Kenzie. So yung video na to, ipaprank namin si Kenzie na ampun lang siya. Tapos ako yung tunay niyang mama. So ayun nga, napagplanuhan namin itong mama ni Kenzie. Ayan, ito yung mama ni Kenzie. Ayan. So ipaprank namin si Kenzie na ako yung mama niya. Kaya mag-arte-arte muna tayo. Game ka ba doon? Mag-arte? Siyempre, ako sabihin mo sa kanya yung totoo na ako yung ano niya, mama niya. Yan, mukha yung drama-drama. O, di kaya-kayanin mo. Ano ka ba? Sabihin mo sa kanya, Kenzie, we will tell you something. Ganyan. Ano ka ba? Kaya mo yan. Dali-dali lang pinapagawa eh. Tapos yun, di ba? Tingnan natin kung ano reaction ni Kenzie. Kung gusto niya ba na ako yung maging mama niya. Or siya pa din. Ayan, ate ko pala yan, mga B. Ayan, mama ni Kenzie. So, let's go na. At ngayon naman, ay, sorry. Nauna na si Kenzie umakyat. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. So, ready ka na ba? Challenge din yun sa'yo, ha? Okay, let's go. Ayan na. So, aakyat na kami sa taas, guys. At, ano na, ayan na nga. So, excited din ako para sa prank na to kasi first time namin ipaprank si Kenzie na ampon lang siya. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Lagi siyang umiiyak kasi mabilis siya ma-hurt. So, tingnan natin nga nakakita kami sa taas.
Ayun, bigyan mo na yung Robux niya.
Ano, Robux?
Robux sa Roblox.
Ano yun? Ano nga yun?
Yung binibili.
Wala ba umiiyak niya sa Kenzie sa loob?
Kenzie, did you watch Friends?
Wala na tayo tubig.
You want Robux?
What?
You want Robux?
Yeah?
Then I have to tell you something first. Sabi ka ata? I have to tell you something first.
What? Ah! Ah!
That you're adopted. Ano ba ba?
No.
Kenzie, I will tell you something.
I'm adopted.
Yeah, I adopted.
They want to know who's your real mom.
No. No.
Kenzie, I'm your real mom. Kenzie, really, I'm your real mom.
Yay.
I'm your mother, Kenzie. I'm your mother. Hindi pinanganak pa lang kita dati. Sa ospital, sabi ko siya muna mag-aalaga sa'yo. Kasi, bakit kasi kapag ka ako yung lumabas na?
Kasi she is busy eh.
I'm busy and also I'm very young that time. I was just like 16 years old when I gave birth. Sabi, nigay muna kita sa ate ko. I'm your real
Is it
mom.
okay?
And your dad is Tito Dog. He's Chinese. You're Chinese. 100% Chinese. Kukunin ko lang si Kenzie. Okay lang. Sabi to go to China. I'm gonna see your dad. Oo. Kenzie, ano ka ba? Ako nga yung mama mo. Sinasabi na kami ng totoo sa'yo. Don't laugh.
After your daddy dog.
No.
Kenzie, I'm your real mom.
No, you're not.
I'm your real mom talaga.
No.
Ano ka ba? Kala mo ba nag-joke na sabihin mo sa kanya yung totoo kasi?
No.
It's real.
Ah.
But sometimes you can beat it to your mom.
No. I'm gonna live with
Sometimes.
mommy. I'm gonna live with
Ano ka na nilipid pa naman?
No.
I need to live with me. Because Totong is coming soon.
No, I don't want.
You have a lot of clothes naman there.
I will give everything.
No.
What do you want?
No, I want.
I will give you a lot of money, a lot of toys, a lot of clothes, a lot of chocolates, a lot of food.
I cannot eat chocolate.
Oh, anything na pwede ko kainin. Kenzie.
You're
Okay
not
lang
my
ba?
real mom. No.
Para dito na masanay si Kenzie, kailangan mo na umuwi. Umuwi ka na, Angelica.
Oh.
Dito ka na mag-stay, Kenzie. Ano ka ba? You're 7 years old already. Pwede ka na umuwi. Umuwi ka. You have a deal kasi. You have a deal. When you are 7 years old, you must stay here. You must stay with me na.
Jen. Wala mo sila, no?
Right. That's why I give you everything, right? I always buy your clothes. She's not your real mom. I'm not lying. I'm not lying, Kenzie. That's real. Dito daw is coming. I will go to China. Nagbalita na sa China. Yung mami mo. Ako yung mami mo. Kenzie, ako yung mami mo. I'm not pretending. Kenzie, don't do that. I'm your mom. Ako yung mami mo. No. Kenzie. Kenzie. Take you to China! I will put you to the box! Don't bring the baby! Don't cry na because... How do you know? Are you supposed to say that? Kenzie, don't cry because... Kenzie, I'm sorry, but it's not a prank. Kenzie, ayaw mo ba ako maging mami? Kenzie, ayaw mo ba ako maging mami? Huh? Kenzie, you don't want me to hear that? I'm so sad. Kenzie, ayaw mo na ba sa akin? Kenzie. Tita's drama. But you want your own life? Oh, I will not pay this one, ha? How much is your Roblox?
500.
Oh, that's a lot.
I just wanted.
No, it's so big money.
No.
Kenzie! Kenzie!
Your drama.
Kenzie!
Get out of here. Not my
Kenzie!
Bro, bro, shut up.
Kenzie!
Bro, I already made your drama. You are so traumatized.
No, it's real!
No, I can never. I just see you early. You're going to the bed getting something. You make me cry.
Kenzie!
I already know everything.
What's everything? Kenzie!
Shut up. Shut up. Bro, I can barely. You're just pretending you're crying. Bro, stop being a drop. No,
I will
I
buy
just
you
want my own knife.
You're all alive! Stingawa. No! Kenzie! It's real!
No, it's not.
Kenzie! Ito na yung video natin. And
Mawit mo sa kanya.
yung prank natin is success kasi kala ni Kenzie totoo, no?
Yan.